Let me show you how you can find all your emails. It happens sometimes where you're trying to find all your old emails, like emails from last 5 months, last 2 years, last 5 years, and you won't be able to find them. So I'm gonna show you how you can find them. By the way, if you don't know me, my name is Lion. I help people building their businesses, and also I help them to make money online, and I help them with the tips to their success. All right, let's see how we can find those emails. So you're gonna go ahead and open your Google account, your Gmail, and any, yeah, your Gmail, and you're gonna find this page here. Normal, when you want to find your emails, what you do, you just come here and you hit your inbox, and then you have a couple emails here. But if I go down, you can see this is the end. This is the end of my emails. So how are you gonna find more pages? It's difficult, right? So what you do here, uh, with my other Google account, I have almost seven plus emails here. So imagine how I'm gonna be able to find those emails. So what you're gonna do, you just have to come here and you're gonna put this command that I'm giving to you. You're gonna do order underscore, and you put down, you put this sign here, and next what you can do, you can put any number. Let's put maybe four. Before I put 4, you can see here we are in 2024, and this is 2025. Yes, this is 2024. You can see. Let me put 4, and this 4 is the number. It can stand for months, or it can stand for years. Okay, let me put Y. Make sure when you're doing something like this, when you put a letter here, don't put a capital letter, because you won't see anything. You won't see anything if you put a capital letter. So make sure you put a small letter. So I'm gonna hit enter. You're gonna see what is gonna happen here. Okay, let me hit enter. What do you see? Now we are in 2020. You see, we are in 2020 emails. Okay, you see 2020. You can put any number here. You can put 1, 2, 3. You just have to put this Y. It's gonna stand for 1 year, for a year. So another thing you can do, maybe you want to find emails in couple months ago, let's say 4 or 5 years, no, 5 months. You're gonna put M for months. So then you're gonna hit enter, and you can see we are in October. We are in October 2024. You see here, if I put 5 or maybe 6, you will see we are in August. If I put maybe 9, let's see, 9, we are in what? We are in May 2024. So this is how you're gonna do it. Go ahead and try, and you're gonna tell me in the comment. But before you go, if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit that bell button, and like my video, so that next time when I put a content, you're gonna be one of the first person to get it. All right, Have a wonderful day.